today we are going to talk about making the maxi skirt, and we are going to take step one, which is taking the measurements. Now you might be wondering why all these changes. That's because I love teaching. Yes, I love teaching. First of all, before we get into this, yay, this month I got featured in this piece. But that being said, let's go ahead and take some measurements so you too can create your marvelous skirt and have a fantastic, frolic, bold summer. The first measurement we need is the waist measurement. This is for maxi skirt. It's a tiered maxi skirt. The first measurement we need is your waist measurement. Determine how high or how low you wear your skirts, because those measurements are different. My high waist is 27 inches. My low waist is 30 inches. Then the second thing you need to determine is how thick you want your waistband. It can be 2-inch thick or 3 inches thick. Now the third measurement will be the first length, the length of your first tier. It can either fall right under your bum or the hip, or it can go a little bit lower, or you can even start higher. The place that you place this, wherever you place this first tier, is going to determine how the silhouette of your skirt falls on the body. And then the other measurement you need to figure out is the full length of the skirt. Do you want it to go all the way to the floor, or do you want it to stay right about the knee area? And then when you get that measurement, you'll take the first two measurements, the thickness of your waistband plus the first tier, and then you subtract that from the total length, and you'll get the measurement for your third tier. Now that being said, let's go ahead and talk about fabric width. Now for your fabric, you are going to take the waist measurement times 2 or times 3 in order to decide how thick your first tier will be. And then when you do that, you're going to do the same for the third tier, and that is how you attain fullness for your maxi skirt. Now that you've taken your measurements and are quite aware of how much fabric you need, go ahead and get your fabrics, prepare your working area, and then we'll meet here for the next video whereby we'll be stitching and hopefully styling this maxi skirt. I know that in fashion is one of the most fun ways that we can express ourselves, but unfortunately it's also one of the ways that there's a gap between those who can afford to buy some items and those who cannot afford to wear it. But with the ability of creating your own piece, you get the choice of either purchasing it or creating it yourself. So if you love sewing your own pieces or are in the journey of learning how to create your own skirts, your own garments, go ahead and source your fabric, and then we will meet here for the sewing process. And don't take this lightly. When you learn how to sew this skirt, you can easily add the body part and create a marvelous dress. See you next time for the next video. Have a fantastic day and stay blessed. Goodbye. And if you want any assistance, you can find us at FABRICCHILD.com.